Hello friends, I am Deepali. Welcome to my channel Majestic Avenue. After enjoying Oregon dunes and ATV riding adventure, we headed towards our last destination along 101 Scenic Highway on Oregon coast. We will be visiting famous Facerock State Scenic Viewpoint, Bandon Beach, Bandon Town and Coquille Point. Park's access goes through residential area. There is ample parking available at Coquille Scenic Viewpoint. We got a car and starting to follow birds sound. This is famous Coquille Point. There is a statue of Coquille bird. I could not resist to get a picture with this beautiful bird. Here is a short trail which provides stunning views and amazing bird watching experience. It is hard to explain this scenic beauty in words. Bandon Beach is visible from here. If you want to explore beach and nearby attractions, you will need at least a day. We are exploring few famous points and historic Bandon town. From this Overlook point, you will see beach and Elephanta Rock. Information boards along trail provide great information about this attraction. You can relax here for a while and enjoy this scenic beauty. You will be able to see birds roaming and sitting on rocks along the coast. Rocks along beach are huge and provide very good habitat for birds. This is also called National Wildlife Refuge Island. After enjoying this overlook point, we are heading to the beach. You will be able to find these wooden stairs at two corners, giving easy access to beach. Now we are on the beach. I feel very calm to hear sounds of nature. Waves are roaring and birds are chirping. I could not control myself to dip my feet in water. With winter weather, water is still cold. Most of Oregon beaches have rock formations along beaches. We are now walking towards Elephanta Cave. I could hear bird sound in background continuously. At this moment, I feel nature is at its best. I hope it stays like this forever. This is Elephanta Rock. This rock is distinguished by two sea caves formed around what appears to be the elephant's trunk. The areas of stone above the caves appear to be the ears. During heavy seas, water rushes through the caves and can resemble tusks. This creation is all over the place in that long period of million years ago. See how water rushes through caves as waves hit other side of rock. High tide seems to be the best time to enjoy sea caves. You could spot seals lying on beach and around rocks. We are lucky to see one here. I feel our coastal journey is complete with all attractions along 101 and sea lion along the Bandon beach. It is rare to spot animals in their natural habitat. I was accidentally stepping on rocks along beach. Beach management person shared details and reason to avoid walking on rocks.
Living, and so we don't ask people to keep people off the rocks so they don't crush the barnacles.
Bandon has many charms, but the beach is undoubtedly one of the Oregon coast's top scenic attractions. After enjoying this amazingly scenic Coquille Point, we will go to the Facerock Scenic Viewpoint. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.